Welcome to Digital Real Estate Marketing video course, and I would like to tell you that thank you so much for enrolling in this course. And one terms condition I would like to tell you that whatever you are going to learn in this video course, you must have to implement all those things into your business, right? It is very important that you should take action to get better result, right? So let's get started, and thank you so much once more again. So this is just a basic introduction video, right? So in this course you are going to learn how to get started digital real estate marketing step by step, how to make simple advertisement or ad for general purpose, right? You may need to create an ad for general purpose about telling on your WhatsApp, social media that I have this listing and all this stuff, normal ad, right? So that type of ad I am going to teach you how you can create a simple best attractive ad, right? How to do social media marketing for real estate business. If you want to do social media marketing for real estate business, I am going to teach you complete social media marketing, almost complete, right? Number 4 is that how to generate lead for free. Yes, I am going to give you some amazing strategy that you can use in your business to generate free leads for your real estate business, and whatever property you are selling, or if you are looking for clients, you can use this strategy to generate for yourself clients and leads also, right? So that video going to be awesome for you, right? Next is that other method for digital real estate marketing, right? So in digital marketing there are a lot of methods and ways and strategies you can use for your real estate business to market your listing on property what you want to market, right? So that video is going to be awesome for you. And in number 6 I am going to give you something very special. Final words would be mine, and something another I will give you, right? So make sure you watch this video. So this was just introduction video. So let's jump into to understand what is digital marketing. It is very important that you must know about digital marketing. So simple as simple, digital marketing is the process of marketing where you use digital media or digital channel. That's it, simple as simple. Here you don't use any kind of newspaper, radio ad, any kind of offline ads, right? Here you go completely online ads, online advertisement. Here you use digital media, digital channels to market your listing or real estate business. That's it. So as you can see here, I have some internet stats, right, for real estate business. How the internet fits into your home searches, right? So the 92% people who buy a home, they prefer to search on internet first, right? 92% people, right? So you must have to understand your potential customer also available on internet, and you must have to be on internet. So whenever someone search for home buying in your area, right, so the person your name should come in front of your customers, right? That is very important. Another thing is that 87% of all buyers who work with agents, they trust them as a good information source, right? 42% of all home buyers use the internet as a first step in their home search. Another is 14% of all home buyers looked online for information about buying process, right? So use this information and understand how you can make so easier in your internet marketing or digital marketing. So whenever customer searching about you, your name should go in front of them. I will teach you all that stuff, don't worry. Let's go ahead. So another is benefits, right? So let's understand the benefits. Okay, so number 1, it helps to save time and money to reaching out to buyers. If you want to reach a buyers, potential customers, right, or clients, it helps you to save time and money, because that's actually cost effective, or we can say that actually a value for money thing for you, right? Number 2 benefit of digital marketing for real estate is that higher ROI than offline marketing. If you are going to do radio ads, billboards, or any kind of offline ads, that cost you more than digital advertisement. So digital marketing give you higher ROI, and you can even track the ROI if you want to track it for your real estate business, right? Number three benefit is that it helps out to grab new opportunities and market all over the world. You can reach out to all over the world. Doesn't matter where you live, where you are listing, and from which in which country you are actually selling the property. You can market all over the world. That's the another best benefit you can use in your business. Another is that it helps you to find the new customers similar to your old customer all over the world, right? It helps you to find the new customer to similar to all your old customer all over the world. So let's suppose if you have the list of 100,000 or 10,000 1,000 people who already work with you, right? They were your customers, so you can use a digital strategy to find similar customer to them. That's amazing. I will teach you ahead all that stuff. Okay, so that's 5 benefits that's going to be amazing, that will help you a lot, right? So that's it in this introduction video. Hopefully you like this video and you will continue the course, and make sure you watch every single video and implement that knowledge into your business. Hopefully you like it, and thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much.